you know which choo-choo train we're at?
Bam!
Bam.
That.
That'll be the BAM line, will it, Charlie?
Bluebell. Bluebell. Bluebell.
As usual, Charlie's on the BS
Covering the shadow of the train.
Mummy and Daddy are off lemonade.
There's a little sort of dip.
Is that right, Charlie?
When trees cut across it, it's all shadowed up.
Oh, that's a big old creek, Charlie. Sit down, sit down.
There's going to be an eclipse any moment, Charlie.
Sit down. Tunnel.
Ice.
Here he comes. It's crazy.
We are here at the Bluebell Railway, where my colleague and I are eating breadsticks.
You eat a breadstick, Charlie?
Can I have a bit of breadstick now? Okay.
Oh, that was a big tax. Ooh, that is happy.
Oh, yeah, up there. We noticed you don't seem to be coping with supply with what do you think?
Yeah, that's good then, Charlie. What's that do down there? Yeah, we're having a good look.
What do we think? Does it pass? Oh, good, good.
What are they doing?
We're waiting for Mummy's tape to run out. The light is flashing, isn't it, Joyce? Tape imminent and...
Go, make him go again.